If you're going to try any of my recipes, make it these smashed Caesar tacos. They are next level. Start with some mini tortillas and some chicken mince and just flatten that on there, and then add your seasonings. Hot oiled pan, cook chicken mince side down first and then flip them. You want to cook both sides. While that was cooking, I made my little croutons, just cut up some sourdough with some oil and salt. And then the Caesar salad mixture as well was just lettuce, bacon, parmesan, and some Caesar dressing. Give that a good toss, and then all you have to do is assemble. 10 out of 10, thank me later.